Good evening. This is Luke Thomas Holmquist here at the Earthquake Forecast Center, quakeprediction.com. It is 7:50 in the evening here in California, 7:50 in the evening on Wednesday, June 7th, 2023, 7:50 p.m., Wednesday, June 7th, 2023. And let's take a look at what happened over the past few days. We were forecasting a significant earthquake right on this peak here on the 2nd into the 3rd. And a 4.5 earthquake hit in the forecasted risk area. Here's the map, and that quake hit just north of San Francisco Bay right here. And it turned out to be a 4.5, not a 4.4, but a 4.5. And that was in the warning area. We thought a stronger quake would occur, but we are getting more information on how to forecast the magnitude. So we're getting better at that. You can see that this peak back here on the 11th produced a 5.5. This one on the 21st produced a 5.6 in California. And this current one produced a 4.5 on the 3rd in the morning. This very strong peak here produced a 7.7 southeast of the Loyalty Islands. Did not occur in California, but the risk was definitely high at that time. We have another very, very strong spike in risk coming up on the 8th in the evening, June 8th, tomorrow evening into the 9th. And you can see, we'll show you the, see, that's Japan's. Oh, by the way, Japan, we were forecasting a quake in Japan's Tokyo area on this spike in risk, the 4th into the 5th. And we got a 4.8. 4.8 hit right in our warning area, exactly as forecasted. So this forecast model is working very well. We have a strong spike in risk coming up on the 8th into the 9th right here. And that could produce a 6.8 in the San Francisco Bay area. Here's the warning area right there in the San Francisco Bay. And you can see the risk here is northwest of Los Angeles right now, the 7th into the 8th. And that could produce a 5.1. And here's the graph for that. However, this much stronger spike in risk here is portrayed on this graph. You can see it's a very strong spike in risk late in the 8th into the 9th. This is the one we're very concerned about. June 8th at night into the 9th. And that is most likely to hit in the San Francisco Bay area. And let's see what else we got here. Right now in California, or in Japan, there's another spike in risk right here in the 8th. And that could produce about a 5.0 right in the Tokyo area as well. So that's possible in Tokyo, but the greatest concern right now is with this spike in risk coming up late in the 8th into June 9th, where a 6.8 earthquake is possible right there in the San Francisco Bay. Magnitude is the most difficult. Timing has been very accurate now with these graphs. So look for a strong earthquake late on June 8th into the 9th. Might be as little as a 5.0 earthquake, but most likely with this huge spike in risk coming up. See if I can find that graph again. Right here. Huge risk coming up late in the 8th. And this graph as well, this different forecast model here, are all pointing to a strong earthquake right here in the San Francisco Bay late on June 8th into June 9th. Thanks for following us here at quakeprediction.com. We're up to 263,000 followers now on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. More than 250,000 followers, 263,000 followers. And thanks so much for your support. Again, watch for about a 5.0 earthquake in Tokyo during the next 24 hours. And during the next 36 to 48 hours, most likely late on the 8th into the 9th, looking for a strong earthquake to hit in the San Francisco Bay area during the next 24 to 48 hours. Thanks so much. Again, this is Luke Thomas Holmquist here at the Earthquake Forecast Center, quakeprediction.com. And thanks for your support, and have a good night.